Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to discuss the answers for today's English paper, TSBIE first year English paper, grammar part. So section A, the paper is overall very easy. Meanings are a little bit tough, but except that the remaining ones are very easy. Section A, most of the questions they were taken from the board model paper only. Board supplied us with one model paper, so most of the questions came from that model paper only. If you are perfect with first two lessons, as I told you earlier, many times I told you, any two lessons or first two lessons, that will be enough. And now we start with section B, comprehension passage. The first one is from the Umbrella Man. First question: what kind of room did the old man enter? Answer: it was full of people and cigarette smoke. Second one: before he entered the room, the man had his coat and hat on. True or false? True. With whom did the old man speak? He spoke to the barman. What did the narrator see as the old man was giving his order? The narrator saw his lips moving as he gave his order. Next, what was the tumbler filled with? It was filled with light brown liquid. It was filled with light brown liquid. It was filled with whiskey. It was filled with wine. All are correct only. Okay, so what did the man place on the counter? He placed a pound note on the counter. Okay. Now come to the second question. Malavat Purna and S. Anand Kumar. It is about these two students. How did Purna make news on 25th May 2014? She is the youngest woman to climb Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. Okay, youngest woman. Who accompanied Purna on the expedition? S. Anand Kumar. Where were the two youngsters studying at that time? In the Telangana Social Welfare Residential Schools. What did they carry with them to the top of the world? They carried the photographs of B.R. Ambedkar and S.R. Sankaran. Who climbed Mount Everest for the first time and when? It was on 29th May 1953. Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Tenzing Norway from Nepal, the first men to climb the highest peak. Okay. Next question. More than 4,000 people have reached the peak of Mount Everest. True or false? True. Okay. Now section C, grammar part. First articles. I interviewed an MP. Saina is the first Indian. I have studied in a government school. Sri Lanka is an island. The committee was established by the British Broadcasting Corporation BBC. ATM is a useful machine. Abdul Kalam is an extraordinary man. I reached home in the evening. Mary is a European. King Solomon is the wisest king. Prepositions. My friend lives in Delhi. Suresh goes to college on foot. The train started exactly at 6 o'clock. Aruna is senior to me. To me. Than me is wrong. Walking is good for health. The poem was written by John Keats. We cut fruits with a knife. Abraham Lincoln came from a poor family. The five thieves shared the stolen money among themselves. Arif poured water into the glass. Next, verb forms. He practices yoga daily. Simple present tense. When I went to the station, the train had already left, also correct. Listen, somebody is screaming. I will conduct a quiz competition tomorrow. I shall conduct, also correct. The custard apple is a tasty and healthy fruit. We have been living in Hyderabad since 2000. Now, do as directed part. Question number 11. First one. Floods cause a lot of damage. Into passive voice. A lot of damage is caused by floods. Second one. The Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful monuments in the world. Into comparative. The Taj Mahal is more beautiful than many other monuments in the world. or most other monuments in the world. Third one, the giraffe is taller than the elephant into positive degree. The elephant is not so tall as or as tall as the giraffe. Okay. Next one, fourth one. I am a pure vegetarian. Gandhi said. Gandhi said that he was a pure vegetarian. Inverted commas should be removed. Gandhi said that he was a pure vegetarian. Next, a classmate said to me, "Is your father a businessman?" Question mark. A classmate asked me if or whether my father was a businessman. Full stop. If my father was a businessman. Whether my father was a businessman. Full stop. Next, they are not ready. Question tag. Are they? Are they? Question mark. Now, correction of sentences. Gandhi is more truthful than any other political leader. Suma is a popular anchor. There are 5 women in the team. I prefer fruits to sweets. 2. The collector discussed the problems of the villagers. About should be removed. It has been raining since yesterday. It has been raining. Now come to missing letters. Peaceful EA, kitchen CH, laurels LAU, curtailed AI, accommodation double C, encourage OU, bitterly double T, laughter GH, people EO, brief IE, okay, silent consonants. Climb B, design G, honor H or night K or GH, calm L, him N, psychology P, oil S, tsunami T, right W. Parts of speech: she pronoun, second adjective, in preposition, though and conjunction, though is also conjunction, and conjunction, though is also conjunction. Sina, noun, left, leave, left, action, verb, little time, little, adjective, interjection is there, exclamation mark is there, interjection, heavily, ly word, adverb, okay. Now meanings match the following. Poignantly, see in a deeply touching manner, down to earth, E, practical, sensible, meteoric, quick, swift and spectacular, A, distinctly, ly, clearly, B, rehearsals, easy, trial performances of a play, G, peril, serious danger, D, queer, strange or unusual, F, intelligible, easily understood, J, planet, the world, the earth, H, chaos, complete disorder and confusion, I. These are the answers. Now, 17th question, transcoding information. Tree diagram is given. We have to convert it into a small paragraph, or else one paragraph is given. We have to convert it into a pie chart. First, we discuss the first one, A. So, human teeth. The given tree diagram tells about the or describes the illustrates the types of human teeth. Human teeth are broadly divided into 4 types. They are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Incisors are used to cut and bite food. Canines are used to hold and tear food. We use premolars to crush and grind food. And finally, we use molars to grind food. In this way, small paragraph we have to write. Very easy. Okay. Now come to the 18th one, phonetic transcription. First one is mortified, mortified. Second one is jest, 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 joke. Next one, endorsement from Saina Nehwal lesson, endoracments, endorsements. Next, regimen, same lesson, regimen, strict rules. Okay. Tyranny, on the rule of the road, tyranny, tyranny. Distinctly, okay, distinctly, distinctly. So here, distinctly is already given in meanings, fourth one, that is distinctly. Okay. So these words are taken from the lessons only. At the end of the lessons, I told you, end of the lessons, phonetics are very important. Same These words are given here. Now, odd sounds. First one, baggage, luggage, suggest. Suggest is the odd sound. Finger, anger, same. Ga, same. Engine, ja is different. Engine is the answer. Push, pull, poo, pure is different. Pure is the answer. Next, earn, earth, same. E, different sound. Each is the answer. Next, rose, chose, same. Same. Lose, woo, different. Lose is the answer. Next, weak, meek, same. Dear, it's not deer is the answer. Okay, now syllable division. Fate, one syllable. Correct, two syllables. Correct. Hundred, two syllables. Passenger, three syllables. Imitation, four syllables. Next one is reasonable, four. We can write three also. Reasonable. So we can write three also. We can write four also. Reasonable. So both are correct. Three or four, both are correct. Okay. So that's all about the answers for today's paper. Hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that it is very useful to you. So if any doubts are there, if any queries are there, please leave your doubts in the comment section, comment box. Okay. Thanks for watching my videos. Meet again very soon with another interesting topic, and tomorrow's paper will be discussed. Okay. And see you very soon. Till then, take care. All the best for the rest of the exams. Jai Hind.